Developers are creating all sorts of amazing actions for the Google Assistant, things that improve our lives or solve some common problems. And we're now supporting a new series of community events where developers can come and learn about developing for the Assistant and then participate in a hackathon where they can build and deploy something right there.
I can think of some great app ideas. So I travel a lot and I'm allergic to wasps. So I would love the Assistant to let me know what to expect when I'm visiting other countries. So when I'm traveling back here in May to Google I/O, it can tell me if there's a high-risk time for me or if there might not be even any wasps around.
Or some kind of stinging insect app would be really helpful to many different people. If you have an idea that you care passionately about, improves your life, or supports a community that you're a part of, this is your chance for it to become an action for the Google Assistant.
And to make that happen, we're supporting developer communities all around the world to build actions for their communities. You can join one of the many events that are happening from now until mid-July and create actions on Google that you care about together with other developers.
And don't worry, if you don't know how to create an action for the Assistant, there'll be training sessions, and you don't need to be an expert programmer because the APIs are really easy to get started with.
So, what are you waiting for? Start thinking of great ideas for your community.
Check out what's happening close to you on the link provided and register for your local event. Have fun.